Well, hello and welcome in Design 5X. Today we will make this design, so sit tight and let's go. Hello guys, again. So to create our pattern, you go to the rectangle, press Ctrl and drag. The size exactly not matter. You put it in the middle of your platform, the middle of page, and you flip it 90 degrees. And this point you go to the shape tool and drag, hold Ctrl and drag upper, and hold Ctrl and drag lower. So we back to the selection, we apply a contour. Of course you choose it depending on the size of your shape in general. So anyway, mine 233 milli. So apply it. No, in this case I need more. So I will increase the offset to make it 10 and apply again. So this is, I'm satisfied with it. And now we break the contour apart and also the ungroup it, of course. So we take the freehand tool or whatever tool you like. I usually use freehand tool, and we take this side and just let me make a zoom. You take from the corner or a little bit here, but actually it's from the corner. Before that, if you don't see the snap, there you go to the snap tool here and you put the snap. For objects or guideline, I will put the guideline also. You choose like what you need. So click on the node and hold Ctrl to take the shape of this straight line. Press again, you repeat it. The length is not important, we don't need it. We do it for all corners. No, yes. Here. And we need one more. It should be like the same size of this one. It doesn't matter if it was exactly the same. I will try to make it like this, and I think it's the same size. It's not that different. And you go to the virtual segment delete, and you look, let me unselect this one. Usually when you hold and drag, you take the shape of rectangle, but if you hold Alt and drag, he will give you a freehand selection. Same, hold Alt and drag, like left click together. The same, we do all these. Sorry, I just make a mistake. I don't want to delete the last one, so I will repeat. No, come on. And we make freehand for the I mean the line for the other side also. I should do it like both of them together, but anyway, same process. Hold and drag, control and drag. You should be precisely on the corner or you will get problems after we use the pen tool. Hold, hold. Again, your eraser, Alt, and delete this one. The same process we do it before. You don't need to do this side, we just need one side. And I will show you. We go to the smart fill. Between 1 and 1, this one, the second one is blank, third, fourth. Sorry, third. 1, 2, 3 only. You take them, hold shift, select them all, Control G, group them, and you take this anchor, put it in the middle, and you rotate it, flip it to other side, right click to copy, take them both. Why I make it this big? I don't need it this big. Anyway, delete this one, I don't need. I come here and make it smaller. Make it smaller. Because this will be pattern. Imagine if it will be like this big. It will be a big problem. So now we make our square first. And no, yes, I need square. Hold Alt, Control, and put this in the middle. I don't need to flip it now. Control G to group it. We back to the same position. We make this a little bit bigger, maybe it's better. Anyway, I will change the size. Freehand tool, one vertical, one horizontal. We put them in the middle of the square. We align them. You align by short key C and E. If you want to go to alignment, you go to the object alignment and you see all the shortcut here you need. Actually, you didn't see them, but when you choose them, select them, you go to align and you will see all your shortcut you want. So we come here, we put here, put it back to not accidentally select it, and we put align it with the square and hold shift and come on, align this one with this side, and we make it like this big. Anyway, you take measure of one of these slides, these straights, and you flip it to the other side. You see the space here. We have it to be like this space. If you want to measure it, it's fine. You take this measure, it's 10 millimeter, and you put it here. For me, it's not that different. I don't need it. Do it. Actually, I will do it. Do this, and this is 10 mil. No. How he calculated? This is less. We make this to the hairline to understand what happened. And you put it here. See, this is almost exactly. And you align it with this one. Select the rectangle on this line and put it in the center. It's not that different, so I choose it. I select it by eye. I mean my eyes. So select this one and the line and hold Control and flip it to the other side. No, sorry for that, not this process. You take the anchor, because the shape will be different, not the pattern I want. And you take this, flip it, hold Control and copy it to the other side. We want this shape different. Control D to duplicate. So after we take one of these, ungroup all, we take one of the strings, let's reselect it again. I call them strings. Anyway, you call them whatever you like. You just shift it, and I think this much. Yes, to be like fitting the space between of them. And right click, select it again, take the anchor in the middle, and you flip it 4 times like this one. Control D, Control D, select them all, and make them without color, just outline. This is too much. What we need, let's delete these, I don't need them anymore. We take our blade and we delete these in the middle. I think we make a mistake. Let me just back what I did. First I will make a contour and make this hairline and drag it more, maybe like this. We put the anchor in the middle and we duplicate it. We delete these guides and we take our segment delete, difficult name, segment delete, just your blade, you name it with the name you're comfortable with. And again we use the paint to make this shape. We back to group these together, Control G, and with this one Control G also, retry, no. Let's select them again, Control G, test, yes. Why I hold X? Alright, so we select these guys and drag them here. This one we don't need. So we take one of the stars we make and we put it like that. Again, if you want, do it with the lines and guides to put it precisely you're free to do whatever you like. For me, it's just by eye. You don't need to make it this precise to make it beautiful. So select this one, double click and take the anchor and rotate it for all shape. Ctrl D for all. And select it all and Ctrl G to group. Take the anchor, rotate. It's okay if duplicate, it's not that matter. Right click to copy, Ctrl D 2 times, again all of it, Ctrl G, take the anchor, put it in the middle. Again, you repeat the process, Ctrl D, till you take the, I will do it again, yes, I will do it again, till you have the shape or the size you're comfortable with. Again, the anchor, let's make sure, yes, in the center, and you rotate it one more time, Ctrl D. Now we take all, make it a little bit smaller and rotate it 90 degrees. Ctrl G. We select a rectangle. There is no specific size. Again, what happened? Yes. Exactly, yes. To put it in the center. So select your pattern and power clip it inside, and to make it more efficient and beautiful, take the outline. And that's it. Oh, one more thing, sorry, I need to change the color. Yes, maybe green. Kind of the green. Actually, I can make more than, but I want to make it simple. What I want to say, like, make some other color inside, but this will be like not beautiful. So there we are. We have our pattern finish. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, like, subscribe and share if you like it, and have a good day.